Your checked luggage will be safe with these tips in 2025. You finally landed after a long flight. You're tired but excited, ready to step out into the sunshine, start your adventure, maybe meet someone special or hit the beach. But then you get to the baggage carousel, and your suitcase never shows up. You wait and wait, but it's not there. Everyone else grabs their bags and leaves. You're the last one standing there, with nothing but panic setting in. Your clothes? Gone. Your meds? Gone. Your peace of mind? Totally destroyed. And worst of all, this nightmare is more common than you think. Over 25 million bags are lost or mishandled every year. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to happen to you. Because in this video, I'm giving you 15 expert-tested tips that'll make sure your checked luggage actually arrives where you do. From smart trackers to airline secrets and even a few genius tricks real travelers shared online, these tips will give you control, confidence, and calm, no matter where you're flying. And the very last tip? It's the one even frequent flyers forget, and it could literally save your trip. Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Use airline baggage tracking apps. Let's start strong, because this tip right here is a total game changer. Most travelers have no idea that many major airlines now let you track your checked luggage in real time through their official apps. Yep, it's like having Find My iPhone, but for your suitcase. No more wondering if your bag made the plane. No more panicking at the carousel. These apps will tell you when your luggage is loaded, where it's headed, and even when it hits the baggage belt. Here's how to use it. First, make sure your airline actually offers this feature. Delta, United, American Airlines, they all do. Then, download the app before your flight, and when you check in, just activate the baggage tracking feature inside the app. That's it. It's quick, it's free, and it puts you in control. So if anything goes wrong, you're the first to know, and the first to fix it. And this next tip, it's like having luggage insurance in your pocket. Tip number 2. Use a smart luggage tracker. Even if you're not a tech person, trust me on this. This tiny device can make a huge difference. Slip an AirTag, tile, or GPS luggage tracker into your suitcase before you check it. Then, if your bag goes missing, you'll be able to pinpoint its exact location from your phone, even if the airline can't. Imagine standing at baggage claim, realizing your bag isn't there, and instead of panicking, you already know it got left behind in LAX. You just saved yourself hours of stress and probably got your bag back faster too. Just make sure you pair the tracker with your phone before your trip. Choose one with global coverage, especially for international flights, and secure it inside your suitcase, not just clipped on the outside. Smart? Yes. Sneaky? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. Tip number 3. Take photos of your luggage and what's inside. Here's a tip that feels small, but could save you hours, maybe days, of stress if your luggage goes missing. Take a clear photo of your bag before you check it in. Every angle, every detail. Front, sides, tags, wheels, everything. But don't stop there. Snap a quick photo of what's inside your bag too, especially if you're carrying anything valuable or essential, like medication, electronics, or travel gear. Why? Because if your luggage disappears, you'll need to file a detailed report, and saying black suitcase just won't cut it when you're one of 500 other travelers with the same one. With photos, you've got proof. You can show exactly what your bag looks like and what's in it. Bonus tip, upload those photos to the cloud so you can access them from any device, just in case your phone goes missing too. This small step puts you way ahead of most travelers, and way more likely to get your stuff back fast. Tip number 4. Use bright, unique luggage tags and wraps. Let's face it, black roller bags might be practical, but they all look the same on a baggage carousel. That's a problem, because the faster you can spot your bag, and the less likely it is to be picked up by mistake, the safer your stuff stays. So here's what smart travelers do. They make their bags stand out. Get yourself a brightly colored luggage tag. Add a neon handle wrap. Stick on a bold luggage belt. Use anything that makes your suitcase scream, "I'm not yours." This isn't just about spotting your bag fast. It's about stopping accidental mix-ups and deterring theft. A thief is way less likely to grab the bag that looks like it belongs to a seasoned traveler. And here's something travelers swear by. Print your own custom luggage insert with your name and destination, then slide it under a clear luggage cover or ID tag window. It's personal, eye-catching, and just smart. Want even more peace of mind? The next tip will help you avoid one of the biggest check-in mistakes travelers make. Tip number 5. Never overpack. Seriously, don't do it. We've all done it. You're leaving for a 1-week trip, but pack like you're relocating to another country. But here's why that just-in-case mindset could actually ruin your trip. When you overpack, you're not just making it harder to close your suitcase. You're creating a serious risk. Those zippers? They're not invincible. One sharp tug by a baggage handler or a hard landing on the conveyor belt, and suddenly your bag explodes open in front of 100 strangers. Your stuff? Scattered. Your dignity? Gone. And if airport security has to inspect an overstuffed bag, good luck getting it zipped back up the same way. They're not going to fold your undies with love. Instead, pack light. Use packing cubes or compression bags, and leave a little breathing room for souvenirs or things you didn't plan on picking up. A bag that looks ready to burst is a bag that's begging to be damaged or delayed. So do yourself a favor. Pack smart, not heavy. Tip number 6. Keep your baggage claim ticket safe and back it up. It's tiny, it's boring, and most people shove it in their pocket without thinking twice. But that little baggage claim ticket, it's your lifeline if your luggage goes missing. If your suitcase doesn't show up, the airline will ask for one thing first. Not a description, not a photo, but your claim tag. Without it, you're stuck hoping someone finds your bag and guesses it's yours. Here's the smart move. As soon as you get that ticket, take a photo of it. Then, upload it to the cloud. Seriously, if you lose the paper, lose your phone, or just get flustered, you'll still have proof in your email or cloud storage. It takes 10 seconds and could save you hours at a lost luggage counter. Treat that slip of paper like it's your boarding pass to getting your suitcase back. Tip number 7. Use a hardshell suitcase. Trust me on this one. Soft bags are easy to stuff into overhead bins, right? But when it comes to checked luggage, they're asking for trouble. Here's why. Your bag doesn't get a gentle ride. It gets tossed, dragged, slammed onto conveyor belts, sometimes even left out in the rain. Soft bags? They absorb all that impact. And if someone decides to tamper with your stuff, a pocket knife is all it takes. Hardshell luggage, on the other hand, acts like armor for your belongings. It keeps your things protected from rough handling, sketchy weather, and, let's be real, sketchy people. Tip number 8. Use TSA-approved locks. Let's talk security. You've got your suitcase packed, zipped, and ready. But is it protected? Here's the truth. Regular luggage locks? Useless at the airport. If security needs to check your bag and it's locked with something they can't open, they'll just cut it off. No questions asked. That's why TSA-approved locks are the only way to go. They let airport security unlock and relock your bag using a master key without damaging anything. And more importantly, they keep your zippers sealed tight against prying hands, sudden impacts, and accidental openings. This isn't just about stopping thieves. It's about making sure your bag doesn't explode open somewhere between baggage loading and the carousel. Just one tip. Remember your combination. The only thing worse than someone else getting into your suitcase is you not being able to. Tip number 9. Secure your zippers with zip ties or tamper seals. Even the best lock can't help you if your zippers get caught, pulled, or forced open during transit. That's why savvy travelers go one step further, with zip ties or tamper-evident seals. It's a cheap, genius trick. Not only do they keep your bag tightly shut, but they also tell you instantly if someone's been snooping. If you land and see the tie has been cut or removed, that's your cue to open that suitcase with extra caution or report it right away. Pro tip, use brightly colored zip ties. They're easier to spot, and TSA can cut through them quickly if needed without damaging your suitcase. It's peace of mind for under $1, and a smart way to show you're one step ahead. Tip number 10. Label your luggage inside and out. External tags? Everyone uses them, and everyone loses them. Those paper luggage tags the airline prints? They're notorious for getting torn off somewhere between check-in and your final destination. And once it's gone, your bag becomes a mystery suitcase. That's why this next move is essential. Always label your bag on the inside too. Slip a card with your name, phone number, and email into a Ziploc bag and place it right on top of your packed clothes. That way, if your bag goes missing and someone opens it, they immediately know who it belongs to. You'd be shocked how many unidentified bags just keep going in circles because there's no info inside. This one takes 2 minutes and could save you a week of stress. Tip number 11. Take a selfie with your bag at check-in. This one takes the idea of photographing your luggage and cranks it up a notch. Next time you're at the airport, snap a quick selfie with your suitcase right at the check-in counter. Why? Because if your claim ticket goes missing and the airline says, "Can you prove this bag is actually yours?" you'll have the ultimate visual receipt: your face, your bag, your timestamp, all in one photo. It's not just about proof either. That photo shows your luggage was intact and in good shape when you handed it over, which can help big time if you need to report damage later. It's fast, easy, and smart. Just take the photo and save it to the cloud in case your phone disappears too. Don't skip this one. Tip number 12. Ask the agent to flag your bag on tight layovers. Here's a trick almost no one does, but it works shockingly well. If you've got a short layover, like under 60 minutes, don't just cross your fingers and hope your luggage makes it. Instead, when checking in, politely ask the desk agent, "Can you flag my bag for priority transfer on a short connection?" That simple request can make a big difference. It signals to the baggage team that your suitcase needs to be moved quickly between flights. It won't guarantee anything, but it definitely boosts your chances. And if it's a really tight turnaround, this can be the reason your luggage arrives when you do, instead of a day later. It's a quiet power move, and it could save your entire trip. Tip number 13. Fly nonstop whenever you can. Sometimes, the safest move isn't about what you pack, it's about how you fly. Here's a simple truth. Bags are far more likely to get lost, delayed, or misrouted when there's a connection involved. Why? Because every handoff is a chance for something to go wrong. A tight turnaround, a late arrival, a missed transfer in a busy hub. It all adds up. Flying nonstop dramatically reduces those risks. Your luggage gets loaded once and unloaded once. No layovers, no chaos. No hoping your bag made the same connection you did. So when you're booking flights, even if a nonstop option is a little more expensive, factor in the cost of peace of mind. Because a cheaper flight isn't worth it if your luggage doesn't land with you. Tip number 14. Buy travel insurance that covers lost or delayed luggage. Let's be real. Losing your luggage isn't just stressful. It can get expensive, fast. You land, your suitcase doesn't. Now you're stuck replacing clothes, toiletries, maybe even medical items. And that's before we even talk about the time and hassle. But here's where travel insurance earns its keep. Not all plans cover lost or delayed luggage, so check the fine print. But a solid policy can reimburse you not just for your missing items, but for the essentials you had to buy while waiting. That means clothes, chargers, and even a toothbrush at 3 a.m. when the airport shop is closed. Bonus: some credit cards include this kind of protection automatically when you book your flight with them. It's worth a quick call to find out. Because if something goes wrong, you want to be covered, not scrambling. Before we get to the final tip, if even one of these tips gave you peace of mind, hit that like button and tap subscribe. I've got more no-fluff, real travel strategies coming your way that airlines definitely don't advertise. And now, the final hack. The most powerful, underused move that separates travel rookies from total pros. Tip number 15. Use your airline's mobile app to track your bag in real time. This right here is your luggage safety cheat code, and most travelers don't even know it exists. Many major airlines now let you track your checked bags directly in their mobile app. No third-party tools, no guessing. Just real-time status updates from check-in to baggage claim. You'll know exactly when your suitcase was loaded onto the plane, when it's been transferred, and if there's a delay or misrouting, you'll be the first to know, before you're left staring at an empty carousel. This means fewer surprises and a massive head start if something does go wrong. So before your next flight, download the airline's official app and set up notifications. It takes 5 minutes, but it gives you the kind of control most travelers don't even realize is possible, because your luggage doesn't have to be a gamble. With the right moves, it can be a sure thing.